Hello everybody and welcome back to M.A.G. I would first like to briefly say thank you so much for the 100 subscribers. It's a dream goal of mine. Thank you very much. With that, I've been posting so far on Shorts how to play the song that I just played. For those who didn't recognize it, this is Imagine Dragons' Demons. It's a very popular song and very well-known song among the music community. You may watch my shorts about how to play it slowly, where I explain more step by step. But here I would like to point out some key features about the song. For most of the song, you will be dancing around this chord of E flat, G, and B flat. I've already shown most of it, but for the next few parts, we'll be doing a bunch of jumping around of just octaves. So do not be worried about any different or significantly worse things. If you want to be fancy about it, I would suggest trying to see what notes work well with the chords that you will already have. You may have also noticed that I will sometimes play in that. If you missed it in the other videos, it is fine. It is a hard thing to memorize. It's very important that you play at the right spots. If you don't know when to play this lower note, I would suggest learning the song's lyrics instead to help you understand the notes and help you understand at what places you want to hear, because based off ear, your ear will be your best tool during piano. So for example, here I'm not fully memorized of the songs, but I know the basic rhythm. It's na 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 na. So when you play it on the piano, you will hear. It's very important to know how to read notes and how to hear notes also. Thank you so much again. Please subscribe, please like. Everything helps. Thank you. God bless.